Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol IVP. The stock had a crazy run, 89% up end of the day, but I know that it went up almost to $14 after hours. So at one point it was way over 100%. So we will talk about everything in this particular video. And if you remember in my last video, the price was around like $6. Let me find it in my last video. The price was around $6, and I was saying more shorts are shorting, super low float can squeeze hard. So I was expecting a bigger move. So from $6, $7, it went all the way to 14 yesterday. So if you were holding and made some money, congratulations. Also on my Discord yesterday, you can see that at 9:33 after the market open, I was alerting that if it can hold 5.9, it can run higher. So it was, you can see that it broke, it was just trying to hold, and I was giving so many alert, and again 5.9, and if it holds it can run. You can see that that was the area. So from 5.9 it went all the way to 13 14, which means that from my alert it went all the way to 150% up. We also played some other ticker symbols, 61%, 14%, even swing trade 60%. Anyway, I'm going to talk about IVP. You can see it went to $14. That was awesome. We played LPA, but end of the day, it was a great day. And if you want to join my trading community, then use the link in the first comment, patreon.com/stockanalyst. Go there, sign up, only $15 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas and alert. Okay. So we will talk about everything quickly. If you want to know, the float is a very small float, only 0.9 million. So whenever volume comes, the stock can run big, and we all know that low float stock with volume can move a lot. In terms of short interest, 54%. Last time we talked, it was not 54. So the short interest gone higher, now 51% live short interest. Okay, so looking really good. And you can see the volume, we got volume 54 million, then the volume died again, 39 million volume came. So it is getting volume, the short interest is high. Who knows how far it can squeeze. Do not forget, because last time we played Zap on my Discord, and I was also making videos. So that thing went from $4. Zap, if you do not know about the stock, you should know, because time to time it runs also. So Zap was around $4 5. It went all the way to $19, right? Low float stock, the same thing. So now we are talking about IVP. Last time when it made the run, I have the figures here. When it made the run after 3.7 break, I played it. In my last video, I talked about it. So from 3.7, it went to $9, came down, and again, it made a nice move to 14. And if you look at the thing, it goes up, comes down, sideways, goes up, comes down, little bit sideways, goes up, comes down. So it's okay if it comes down, but if it can move sideways and make another push, that's the most important thing. Now, if you look at the chart, why I was talking about certain level, I was talking about 5.9, and why I was alerting on my Discord, because the previous day, you can see that pre-market and during market hour 5.9 was the resistance. So whole idea was, if it can break 5.9 and it can hold 5.9, it can run. See what happened, it was bouncing over that 5.9 for almost 9-10 minutes. It's a 3-minute candle, which means 4 candles is 12 minutes. So it was bouncing there. It was also over the VWAP, it was also over the 9 EMA, the EMA cloud I use for trading. Then it held, and then you can see more volume started coming because it was looking strong. Then it broke the previous day high, 6.5, went up, came down, bounced from 6.5. This is what we call breakout. Goes up, comes down, and bounce. Goes up, comes down, and bounce. Same thing, broke 7.5, came down and bounced. Then went to 10.7. It was holding that particular area for some time, around 9.5. Again, a big push to 12. Then you can see the chart. So anyway, it was a great move, especially if you think about 5.9 my alert all the way to 14, almost 141%. Awesome day, right? So now it is sitting at here. We want to see Monday morning, can it hold that 10.75 as a support? If 10.75, let's make it I'm just trying to adjust and see, like, should we talk about 10.5? Okay, so let's keep 10.5. So if it holds 10.5 is good. If it breaks 10.5, next area we want to see between 8.7 and 9.54. it is okay after a massive run. It's okay to come down, move sideways, and big another push. So very excited for this particular stock. Obviously we will see the stock this coming week. And also, if you want to see how far it can run, if I zoom out after 14.1, it has lots of room all the way to 18, 22, even like 25. So I'm going to put the line, because when we trade in the morning, these lines really help to set a profit target, and I always share that in my Discord. Okay, so anyway, let me know your thoughts on IVP. And don't forget, these stocks are running from $3 all the way to 14. At one point they will come down, so do not buy at 13, $14 and just hold. It will go to the moon. I always say, if you buy high, have a risk management, try to get out if it's going down. Okay, just play the momentum. This is what we are doing when something is running crazy. We played Zap, now it is coming down, so there is no point of holding Zap. But anyway, Zap is another thing. We can talk about Zap in another video. But so far, IVP is looking really good. And if you made some money, congratulations. If you want to play with us, use the link in the first comment. Go there, sign up. And thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to get more videos from me. Take care. Bye-bye.